comical ostrich attempted to attack a man and then fled like a child. A random monkey drop-kicked a passerby, leaving the startled man to quickly retreat from the unexpected airborne attack. An enraged elephant chased down bikers, forcing them to abandon their bikes and flee on foot, leaving their mechanical steeds behind. A playful swan gave chase to a golfer for amusement, creating a comical scene on the golf course.
Ow! Fucking swan! I want that video!
A FedEx worker underestimated a gate door's security, and a dog quickly proved him wrong, creating an amusing scene. In a circus show, an elephant's frustration erupted, causing it to charge unexpectedly, possibly due to confinement in tight quarters. A daring girl dared to taunt the caged monkey, but the feisty primates were having none of it, and taught her a memorable lesson. A charging sheep took an unsuspecting fisherman by surprise, knocking him into a lake, but luckily no serious injuries resulted. A fearless photographer stood unwavering as a grizzly bear charged towards him, capturing a remarkable and daring moment. Hilarious footage captured a cyclist's encounter with an angry ram in France, with the ram persistently chasing the cyclist. A leopard nearly caught a person attempting to enter a truck, but a group of dogs intervened, preventing any harm. A bighorn sheep repeatedly charged at a vehicle, determined to break its headlights, showcasing its unwavering resolve. Unaware of his surroundings, a man encountered a moose and hastily retreated with his dogs, avoiding any potential confrontation.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
A mischievous goat had a blast charging and taking down unsuspecting people, including a lady who found herself on the ground. A young horse escaped from a racing stable and dashed into a nearby bar in Chantilly, north of Paris, without causing harm to anyone. A runaway bull caused panic in Peru as it escaped, leaving locals scrambling to avoid the unexpected bovine rampage. A protective rhino hoisted a pesky warthog into the air with its horn, teaching the intruder a memorable lesson. A man inadvertently provoked a lioness, but luckily the situation didn't escalate beyond agitation. A cantankerous goat vented its frustration on a reporter with annoying questions, making its displeasure clear.
ABC7, would you not eat my pants?
A car full of people hastily exited their vehicle as an elephant approached, fearing it might flip their entire car. A camel asserted its dominance by ripping off a car's side mirrors, leaving no doubt about who was in charge of the road. A gorilla charged at zoo glass, terrifying watching kids. One more punch, and the situation could have turned tragic for everyone involved.
Oh, man!
A relentless rhino pursued a tour car, causing the driver to scream in fear as they desperately tried to outrun the charging behemoth. An enraged bull leaped into the stands, sending everyone fleeing like a bullet. Fortunately, no serious injuries occurred, and it was eventually tamed. A mischievous monkey snatched a man's bag containing valuable items, leaving the man in a sticky situation. A wild elephant gave chase to a man, but luckily he escaped unscathed, evading danger with remarkable speed. Elephants broke free from a circus, running rampant through a small Asian town, creating a scene that left residents in disbelief.
A local restaurant. Barely able to escape.
A curious bear put on a show in Steamboat Springs, Colorado, by hanging from an upstairs window before wreaking havoc inside the house.
People are gonna be dead.
A rampaging elephant went on a destructive spree in India, damaging nearly 100 homes and cars, leaving locals baffled about its motive. A hawk seized a chance to snatch a puppy from a backyard, leaving the pup with only a minor scratch, a shocking but not tragic event. An annoyed gorilla playfully splashed water on a boat, then dashed off in a maniacal display of mischief. A tiger attacked a man, resembling a movie scene, but luckily, no serious injuries occurred during this terrifying encounter. A leopard in India gave chase to a motorcyclist, but was deterred by quick-thinking bystanders, sparing the rider from injury. Sea lions fiercely defended their territory on a San Diego beach, leaving frightened people huddled together, startled by the assertive marine mammals. A bison headbutted a car's headlight in Yellowstone, defending its personal space. Fortunately, it ended without tragedy.
Oh shit. God, did he hit him? Yes, he did. Did he purple? Yeah.
A kangaroo refused to back down from a confrontation with a determined boy, asserting its dominance with determination.
Get him, Jory!
What?
Get him! Push him!
No, Captain scratches ears. Captain scratches ears.
A herd of sheep had enough of constant orders from a man and teamed up to charge at him repeatedly, reclaiming their independence.
Alright?
Numerous lions pursued a giraffe as their potential meal, causing the giraffe's adrenaline to surge, making it unstoppable in its escape. A determined hare attempted to protect its friend through multiple punches, though its efforts proved ineffective. While filming an educational show on deer behavior, the deer turned aggressive, charging at the host, disrupting the peaceful documentary.
He got me.
A calm TV watching session turned chaotic when a deer crashed through a glass door into a living room, terrorizing a startled child. bull moose charged at a truck, providing passengers with an unexpected laugh, preventing any costly car damage repairs.
That fast, can I?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's the first time.
A lion's patience wore thin with a babbling reporter. The fence was the only thing preventing a potentially different, more ferocious story.
And if it gets really cold, he can go into his den in the back. Right, Tal?
Tourists annoyed a rhino with incessant photos, leading to a heart-pounding chase and a wild tour car flip, miraculously sparing injuries. Provoking rhinos leads to tourist cars tumbling, but this driver narrowly escaped the wrath of these powerful creatures. A fearless deer invaded a woman's car, prompting her to stand her ground and deliver a surprising kick to the unexpected passenger. A bull flexed its muscles, lifting a whole car as if it were a playful jest. Thankfully, no one was inside to witness this bizarre feat.